Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Triggr Kraken X1. First, carefully unbox your new device and ensure all components are present, including the main unit, power adapter, and any accessories. Next, connect the power cable securely to the Kraken X1 and plug it into a standard wall outlet. Finally, download the dedicated companion app from your device's app store to begin the initial setup and unlock its full potential. This app is crucial for controlling various functions and receiving important firmware updates. Once powered on, open the companion app and follow the prompts to pair your Kraken X1 via Bluetooth. This process typically takes less than 30 seconds. After successful pairing, the app will guide you through a quick calibration sequence, which is essential for ensuring accurate and reliable operation. You can then fine-tune the sensitivity settings within the app to match your specific needs and operational preferences, allowing for a truly personalized experience. The Kraken X1 offers advanced features like custom profiles, allowing you to save and quickly switch between different configurations for various tasks. Dive into the real-time data analytics available through the app to gain valuable insights into your usage patterns and optimize your performance. Furthermore, explore the integration options with other smart devices to create a more cohesive and efficient operational ecosystem, expanding the capabilities of your setup. To maintain your Kraken X1, gently wipe its surfaces with a soft, dry cloth to remove dust and debris, ensuring its longevity. Regularly check the companion app for any available firmware updates. Installing these ensures you always have the latest features and performance enhancements. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you master your Triggr Kraken X1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.